You don't go to your neighbor's compound because you can't go. Just now you can't go here and there, or you can't go to someone's house also. You have to stay in your own house. After you make your kites and all, you keep it inside in the cupboard. Now it's round about afternoon. You ask your mother what she made for you. You can go to the kitchen, you can help her. You can take out the juice from the fridge and keep it on the dining table. Call your brothers and sisters to come on the dining table, and you can have some snacks before your lunch is ready, and mother puts the lunch on the table. But before having your lunch, children, what should you do? You should go to the toilet. You should go to the toilet. You should go to the toilet and wash your hands and all, and your legs, because now during coronavirus you have to be very, very clean, and see that other brothers and sisters are clean also, and the people who come to visit you also, they also keep their hands and legs clean when they come to you, and keep distance. Please keep distance with the others. Okay, now after that, after you are having snacks and all, you can have fruits also, children. Whichever fruit you like, you can tell your parents to bring on a Sunday, and you can have. And after your lunch, where do you go? You are going to rest, or you are going to play? What are you going to do? You are going to rest. So when you get onto the bed, children, you play Ludo, or you are going to read books. Whatever you like best, whatever your hobby is, you can do that. Okay? But don't worry your mommy and daddy, because they also get tired. Okay? So you will describe your Sunday like that. You will not write about the river, going to the park or going to the river. You have to write about your Sunday, what you did in the house. What you did in the house. Okay? And after that, in the end, you can thank your mommy and daddy about what a beautiful day they gave you on a Sunday. You must always thank your parents what they do for you. You must always be grateful to them. You must always be grateful to them. Children, you can take the help from page number 114. 114. But please don't copy. Please don't copy from the book, because the description is about the river side and flying kites, and in this weather you can't do that. In this weather you can't do that. Okay? That's all. I won't be teaching much more. You can call him Ravi. Okay. And page number 2, children, exercise 2. Page number 2, exercise 2. Which of the following groups of words are sentences and which are phrases? You have to do this in your book only. You have to do this in your book. P for phrases and S for sentences. And S for sentences you have to write at the side. Okay? That's all, children. Next, I'll be doing kinds of sentences with you. Kinds of sentences with you.